rock. My god, she's like 30 minutes away. Dude, what? Hey guys, it's maiphammy here. Make sure to subscribe to be part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. Today, I'm going to be doing a room makeover for my best friend. She's moving in 3 days, not even. I haven't set up her room yet. Basically, I'm gonna be buying everything for her room and setting everything up for her and decorating it, but like she can add like little accent pieces and everything. Everything has arrived, like her mattress, her bed frame, her rug, her nightstand. So I'm gonna set that up today. Well, I'm not gonna, my brother is, because I can't do anything. I mean, I'll try to help, but I'll show you guys her room. So it's on the floor that I'm on, and we already got the rug set up. I got her this rug. Vision is I want to have her bed right here, and it's like a platform bed just like mine, just so we can put lights under it, and then 2 of the floating nightstands right there, and then also mattress. I think we're gonna do white or black bedding, I'm not sure yet, and I need to get some artwork and everything like that. I got a mirror here. She lives in a pretty small room right now, and she lived in a smaller room before, so this is gonna be so new to her. So we're gonna try to bring the bed frame up because it's downstairs and there's 3 flights of stairs to go up, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it. This is her closet, which will be super nice because she doesn't have like a big closet or anything now, so it also just lights up. It's super deep, lots of storage. Here's it before. Oh, we also have to put curtains up, that too. And this is just the guest bedroom, which none of you guys care about, but. It's your new bed. This is what the bed looks like. It's like a platform bed, but it doesn't have an edge like mine, but it still has like an underneath like this. So I can put lights under it and it'll still give the same effect. Okay, so this is what it looks like in place. The rug looks like kind of awkward, but I think it's like perfect for it. Right here, if you guys can see, it gives enough room for there. And then also it lines up the door here. And then also, so you can open this door super smoothly. This one, once the rug flattens out, it'll be better, but it's a little bit hard. But these closets are massive, so it doesn't really matter, I don't think. That's what we got going on right now. Her mattress is outside. We gotta drag that upstairs and open it up so that it like airs out and everything like that, and then we'll put the nightstands in. But I have a bunch of these frames that I don't really use anymore. I want to do like each of her favorite band or artists, so like Harry Styles, Frank Ocean, and Tyler the Creator. And there's this mirror that we can put somewhere, but I'm not sure what I want to do with here yet. We'll figure that out. Unraveling the mattress. Hard as a rock.
Oh, it's the best bed ever.
This is so hard. This is not the best bed ever. So, we got her mattress in. Beautiful. Now we gotta get some curtains in and everything too. Garbage. Okay, that missed, but like, wow. She got like a memory foam one, but it's so hard in my opinion. It could be comfy, but like it's rock solid. Looking good. I think she's gonna really like it, and if not, well, fuck. Wow.
This bed is solid.
I don't know why she would get memory foam. She's like 100 pounds. Boom, one of them's done. He didn't mess up the measurements. Wow. Did he? Nope.
Don't worry about it.
Stupid. No way. He fucked up.
No, I didn't. Don't look at it. It looks pretty level to me.
No, you didn't. You eyeballed it?
No.
Clearly you did.
Kinda.
No. We fixed it.
Handyman.
The next day.
Howdy y'all. Okay, so it's the next day. Anila's actually headed over right now and we're finishing up her room. It won't be able to have like any of the artwork right now, but that's fine. But we're doing her mirror right now. Look, no drilling or anything, just using these 3M command strips. They are literally a blessing. I've been using them for like all 3 of my last places and they are so easy, never leave a mark on the wall, and they hold literally the heaviest things up. She'll be here in 5 hours. This is adorable. Still in? You like this room? Her mattress inflated, but it's like so rock solid. I think she sleeps like this, so I think it's fine. But if you were sleeping on your back, it'd be because like it wouldn't fill the crevices, you know? Rawr. Oh, so now she has a mirror so she can take bomb ass mirror selfies. Boom, boom. Okay, I'm gonna add that in her room and stuff, and then we gotta clean this off and then the TV up. I'm gonna get her a bigger TV. I just need to buy a bigger TV for the living room, and then I'll put the living room TV into here. This will go in the office, but the office is like the last of my priorities right now. There's still so many little things we gotta do. When like the LED strip lights come in, I gotta put those under her bed and stuff. But like, this is a good start for now. So I procrastinated for like an hour. She's gonna be here in like an hour. But I forgot to do the curtains and like, bro, I don't know how the hell to do this. I don't understand how this is supposed to work. So I don't get how this gets drilled into the, what? It's like definitely like this. I promise you I'm like smart. I just like don't have a lot of common sense right now. But I have to do some measurements, right? Right. Don't mind my flat ass, by the way. I can't help it. So I don't know where my Sharpie is, so I'm just gonna use an eyeliner pencil. Does that work? Probably not. What the fuck? Come on, let's go. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god, I think I did it. Boom. Let's do the other one and not fuck this up. My God, she's like 30 minutes away. Fuck, I need to finish this. You got this, Mom. Let's go. Oh, that works too. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh no. This is making me sweat. I was stressed out for a second. I thought I did it wrong. I have this chair. Oh, fuck, this is wobbly. Oh no, I'm shaking. Mom, spaghetti. Oh my God. No f***ing way that it works. Are you kidding me? I am too smart. Just fucking kidding. I'm kind of the dumbass. It took me this long. Oh my God. Whew. They're like sheer curtains. I feel like they're good enough. I can't believe I did that. Okay, wow. Now I gotta put our nightstands back on. Whew, this is a mission. Like, this room doesn't look cool because there's no artwork up, but I think she'll be able to do that herself. Cute, I think. I'm gonna take all this out of her room and then we'll figure it out. Okay, so I wanted to look super cozy when she first sees it. I don't know like if this is gonna be like the decoration forever. I'm gonna put this plant in this corner. I know what we're gonna do. I have this lamp. I don't know if this is also gonna stay here, but how does that look so far? I think it looks cute. I just added this lamp right there. Himalayan salt lamp. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna put this here just to like add something to it. This is good. I wanna set up some books so it looks cute, you know? So some books here to make it look less empty. Boom! Oh my God. This is so cute. There's like some empty space here. I was gonna put a chair here, but then I realized I can't do that because of this door. So I wanna put this floor pillow here. I need to check her location. I haven't checked that in a hot minute. 15 minutes ago, she was in Calc. Oh no, she's gonna be here in literally like 10 minutes. Okay. Frick. I have 3 rugs. I don't know which one I wanna use though. I wanna put it, sorry for this shitty camera work, guys. I'm not a video, I'm a YouTuber. I don't know what I'm saying. Her favorite color is yellow, so this could be cute. I think I need to put this under here. Anila, you better fucking appreciate me. Anila, do you appreciate me?
No, I fucking hate you.
I did that room for you.
It was so bad, it was so ugly, I didn't even like it.
I didn't want her to be stressed out when she moved since this is her first time moving. I want it to be a stress-free experience for her. I told her, do not bring anything except for your clothes. Oh my God, my rib hurts. Oh my God, she loves the color yellow. She'll love this little accent. I'm so smart. Okay, let's put everything back up.
A few moments later.
Guys, she's here, but I can't let her see the room yet. Hello! I gotta get out of this ugly shit out of her room. Come on. Oh my God. Okay, she just got here. I'm sweating so much, but we're putting her bedding together. She's downstairs getting more stuff. So this is what her bedding looks like. It's just floral, and I'm putting her guitar and stuff away right now. I hope she likes the room. All right, this is what her bedding looks like. So cute. All right, this is the room. We still gotta put artwork up, but I think I like it a lot. I really hope she does too, because I'm sweating. That took a lot of work. Oh my God, I forgot that I got her a skylight. I need to go get it. It's in one of these Amazon boxes, and I have like 100. I have so many Amazon boxes, I don't know which one it is. I found it. Took enough boxes to open. Oh my God. Anila, it's ready. You can come in.
Dude, what?
Oh, look at this.
You got the star thing?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I love it. It's so nice.
It's so nice.
Oh, it's so nice. Oh my goodness.
So we added a couple more things to her room. I'll show you guys later, but we're making our first meal, chicken Alfredo, and she already burned the garlic, so we have to start.
It's bougie garlic.
First meal in the house, baby. Her room, I'm obsessed with her room. It looks straight out of Urban Outfitters. So tomorrow, we still gotta go get things like garbage cans and stuff from Walmart. So while we're there, we're gonna go get pictures printed out and put them in frames. Yeah, Harry Styles. I mean, like, he's cheating on you because he's mine too. This is literally insane because apparently we used to talk about living together all the time.
But the difference is, it was like we would talk about having a cute little apartment, and then what did you say? The hamster that we'd have?
Oh yeah, we would have a hamster together, but like this isn't a little apartment. This is like a whole ass house.
Our hamster turned into this thing.
Little Stewie. It's crazy because literally everyone in like the hometown that we live in has like not even thought about moving out yet. They're all staying there until like the year's over, but like she's just like, coronavirus, gonna dip. I like cleaned up the living room a little bit to like put like the ottoman out, the blanket, like coffee side table. This is the only box of decorations that I have left, and then everything else is cleaned up. I still need to get a new TV. This pisses me off. Once I get that coffee table in, I'll do all the decorations. We have so many plans, don't know what to do with that yet. Looking at her room makes me want to do my room, so like I think I'm gonna do that like the day after tomorrow. I literally just can't wait for this house to be like all set up. I also need to order rods that fit these huge windows because they are so fat, but also like if people want to look into what we're doing, I don't give a fuck. Okay, so we made dinner, ate, and then I just cleaned the house, wiped down the counters and everything. Ugh, it smells so fresh. I'm just taking a shower right now, but I think we're gonna call it a night, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
1 eternity later.
Hi everyone, okay, so it's about a week later now, and Anila's been living here for a week, and we're finally getting to put her artwork up. So she already had some posters, and then we also printed some out just when we did like our grocery run. So I'll show you guys what she has done. She printed out this ASAP one, and then she also printed out that hairy one, and the rest she already had. I think they look so freaking good. She wants to fill this whole wall up. It looks so good, especially for mirror selfies when this whole wall is filled, I think. I've been telling her to wait like a week to put these up because I've just been a lazy ass. But she also printed these out too. So we're gonna put them up right now. 3 right there and 2 right there. I think it'll just fill the room a lot. You know, add like a lot of color to it because right now it looks super plain. I mean, like not really compared to my room, but like super plain for her taste because in her last room she had so many posters everywhere. She has Tyler, Harry, a naked Harry. She has Frank Ocean. She has The Weeknd and then ASAP right there. Oh my god. Oh my god, ASAP is so hot. And Ling Ling is having a good time. I'm like a handyman. Honestly, I should get my HD TV show because like, look, I got the level and everything. I got the measuring tapes. Too good. Okay, boom, badily boom. We got the first 3 up. Wow, how magnificent do these look? Very much adequate. Wow, we put them up. It actually wasn't that hard. I think it looks so good. These frames are the frames that I used to have in my old apartment. And I also had them in my old house, like my last one, but like I never like looked at it because like my last house was a mess. But they look so freaking good, and they're like exactly what she likes, I'm pretty sure, right? I was gonna do this for her to surprise her, but I didn't have fucking time. This looks so good. Oh my god. Literally feel like I'm in a studio. Hi, so it's like 2 weeks later. As you guys saw in the video, her mirror broke because she put it up herself again after it fell down, and then it broke because she didn't know how to put it up herself. But like, my understanding perfectly fine, but my room transformation video will be coming out in a couple days. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got to know her a little better. Follow her on Instagram if you guys would like. But you guys are going to be seeing her a lot in my videos, so get ready for that. We've been living together for about 3.5 weeks now, so this video is kind of late, but I really hope you guys enjoyed these videos. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Comment anything down below because I read every single one of my comments, and follow my Instagram. Let's try to get to 400k if we can, please. We're like 8,000 away, which is like really a lot, but like if you guys can, you know, be the one follower that helps, that'd be awesome. And until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.